Hello, welcome to my kitchen. This is Yemizkitchen. My name is Yemiz, and I'm going to be making celery lemon ginger juice today. What are you going to need for this celery lemon ginger juice? You're going to need celery, you're going to need lemon and ginger, depending on how much portion you want. I'm just going to use a package of celery here, medium ginger, and 3 lemons. They are washed and I'm going to cut them into pieces. Let's start with the celery. Then the ginger. I think this is too much. I'm just going to use half of this. Cut it to any shape. I'm just trying to slice it. I'm blending it anyway. Then the lemon. I'm going to squeeze the lemon in the blender. Now let's add water. Then let's blend on. Blend as smooth as possible. All finished. Now I'm going to pour it in a sifter so I can take out the shaft. Now, if you want to use it as a smoothie, you don't need to take out the shaft. You drink it like that. So here I am pouring this in a container. I'm trying to squeeze out the juice out of this as much as possible. So I've sifted out the juice and here's the shaft. You can use this on your garden. You can use it as a smoothie if you don't want to sift it, like I said. I'm going to pour mine in a cup of ice, and I'm going to pour the rest in a pitcher. I have the option of putting any kind of sugar like sugar or honey, but to defeat the purpose, it's supposed to be a refreshing, healthy drink. Moreover, the ginger and the lemon give it the perfect taste. I'm going to try this. Very tasty. So I have completed my celery lemon ginger juice. It is refreshingly different. It is healthy. It's something I should try at home. I hope you really like this, and I hope you try it. And if you try it at home, don't forget to tag me on my social media. Follow, like, share, interact with me on my channel, and ask questions if you want to. Press the notification bell or button so that you can be alerted anytime I have a new episode. Don't forget, in Yemi's Kitchen, happiness is a choice. Choose to be happy. Love you. Mwah.